In answering a question on multiple choice test, a student either knows the answer or he guesses. Assume that student who guesses the answer will be correct with probability 1 by 5. And 5 is the number of multiple choice alternatives. Probability he knows the answer is P. What is the conditional probability that the student knew the answer given he answered correctly? So we are saying given he answered correctly, what is the probability he knew the answer? So A is the event that he answered correctly, given that E1 is the event that he knew the answer. So what will be E2? That he guessed the answer. So we form these three things. Now, very simple. The question is asking what is the probability of E1 given A? You revert this. This is probability of A given E1 into probability of E1 upon the total probabilities. EI, I from 1 to 2. Probability of A given E1. So given that he knew the answer, what is the probability he will answer correctly? He will always answer correctly if he knows the answer. That will be 1. What is the probability that he knows the answer? This depends on what is given in the question, right? So the question tells me that the probability he knows the answer is only P. So I write P here. Into divided by the total probability. So probability he knew the answer, this is 1. This is P. Given he knew the answer, he will answer correctly, always 1. Probability he didn't know the answer, 1 minus P. If he does not know the answer, he will only answer correctly 1 by 5 times. So 1 by 5. Just put these values and get the answer. So Bayes theorem is pretty simple. You just have to use this formula, probability of EI given A, reverted in the numerator, divided by the total probability, and you'll get the answer.